Hi everyone, welcome to another video. This is All Things Luxury and my name is Colleen. If you are returning, thank you for returning, checking out my video. I appreciate it. Don't forget to share the content if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so you can know when I post my video. I'm going to try to do videos twice a week moving forward. I haven't posted anything for about 2 weeks now, so I'm going to try to do it twice a week. Cross your fingers. But if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you like the content, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification so that you can know again when I drop a video. I appreciate you stopping by. I'm gonna do a quick video today. I picked up a Marc Jacob denim tote bag. This is a bag that I've been eyeing. I checked it out on Socks Online, and they was not gonna ship it until April, and I happened to go to Frontenac Plaza and saw it, and it was the same price in Saks, and so I grabbed it. And because me and my husband is going out of town, maybe this weekend or next weekend, and to Nashville, and I want to be able to actually take that with me rather than taking one of my more iron bag. I want to take that with me so I can just lug it around from the hotel to the stores. I'm going to be doing some videos there as well. I'm going to check out the Chanel store and some other stores that's down in Nashville, because I've been to Tennessee, but I've not actually stopped at Nashville, so that's going to be a treat for us. At least for me. I've never actually been, like, we have never stopped in Nashville, but like I said, we go to Tennessee all the time because my husband and family live there. So today I want to show you the tote bag that I picked up. You're going to see the pictures when I upload the videos, but I picked this up. Like I said, it's one of their newer bags. And I picked it up. As you can see, I went check it out at Saks. I got it. I picked it up. So I got to Saks and I saw it in there, and here is how it comes. And it, I went in, I picked it up, and I thought, I really, really love this bag. It's not huge. As you can see, it's not that big. It's basically just the right size for when I'm going out of town. Okay, so it's really a good size. What actually draw me to it, it's these. As you can see, I haven't even opened it yet, but I love the handles. I actually was, oh my God, these are, it's denim, and then it has the leather, and then it has, look at that, it's silver with black leather, which I absolutely I've never seen one. I think, like I said, this is their newer bag, and I've never seen it look this way before. I want to make the camera so you can see it, and I just love it. I saw it in there. They had a bigger one, but I really didn't like the bigger one. As you can see, this is how it looks. I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. I like it. Again, it's just an everyday tote that I'm going to use it as. I'm not going to, when I'm running to the mall, or if I'm going out of town, this is actually what I'm going to take with me. I am going to carry it so that when I'm doing my shopping, I can put my camera in it and I can do my videos and don't have to worry about it. So all my cameras and my accessories can go in here, and I'll be happy to just throw it in here and don't have to worry. I really love it. I really love the straps. Like I said, it's chain, and you can actually take these off and use another strap. It comes with a denim one in, and it also come with the dust bag, which is really nice. This is the dust bag, as you can see. So I really, I think the dust bag is kind of cute. So I like that. And it looks to me that you can actually, and like I said, I haven't used it yet because we're going out of town, and so this is what's in it. It's just paper, but it's really, really deep inside, as you can see, and it'll be able to hold my camera. And these handles, you can actually remove it and use another handles if you want. So I like that it comes with these little thing here, so you can remove them. I'm not sure if you can see that too well, but you can actually remove them and put another handle on if you want. But I really, really like it. I think that it just looks really nice. It's just, it's a casual, more casual bag. So I'll be able to just take it and really throw my things in there. Like I said, when we go to Nashville, we're going and a little mini vacation, me and my husband, and we're going to do some shopping down there. But this one is a really cute tote. It's really cute. I really love, they have the leather at the front there, and it tells you basically that Marc Jacobs style the tote bag. It just says the tote bag, location New York City, 1984, which I think that's really nice. I'm not sure if you can see that, but this is what it looks like if you're able to see that. So it's really nice. And then this is what it looks like that. So I really like it. Like I said, it's not a big one. It's not something that I'm going to be like, oh my God, it's so small. It's a perfect size for me. Um, it's a perfect size. So I'm going to be able to just take this and don't have to worry. I might even be able to throw a couple of our items in here so I don't have to carry a lot of things down there. Like I said, we're going to check out the Chanel. There's a couple pieces I wanted to try on this year that's on my list. The boy bag, and then I want to try that on. I know they have them there. And there's another one I want to try on. So I want to see how it looks and see if it's going to be a purchase for us when we go down there. So I am looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to going to the Louis store. So and all that is down there. And like I said, it's a place in Nashville that I've never been. I know a lot of you might be in, or you shopped there before. Just leave me a comment. Let me know. I actually called down there to find out if they actually have person store, because I know they have some boutiques and some of them don't carry purses. So I wanted to make sure before I actually leave and go down there and be disappointed. So, but this is my new purchase. This is something I really wanted. It's a casual summer bag. I consider it a summer bag for me. And I'm going to be taking it out of town, even though it's snow up the wazoo here in Illinois. We're going to Nashville, so I'm taking it with me and throw my camera and throw everything, all my accessories in there. So I'll be able to do videos while I'm there. If you have any comments, please leave. Let me know what you think of it. I really like it. It's very, very nice. I love it. I don't really have any other denim. Actually, I have one by Coach. And so, but it's not a tote. So this is really just a really more casual get up and go kind of bag for me. So I really like it. Let me know what you think in the comments down there. Like I said, thanks for stopping by. I'm not checking in with Stump. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my videos. And please like, share my content if you appreciate it. I'm going to, like I said, do videos probably twice a week. I appreciate all your support because this is a new channel and I'm trying to build. So I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification so you can know when I have videos posted. And so I really, really appreciate all you guys do, and I appreciate the support as always. So I'll see you next time. Bye.